Shallow water makes noise. Deep water moves quiet. I've spent a lot of time around people who've been through very little and are very loud about it. And I've spent time around people who've been through everything. And they carry a kind of quiet that you can feel before they ever say a word. That depth doesn't come from achievement. It doesn't come from reading the right books or saying the right things. It comes from one place and one place only. From having been tested, from having gone through the fire and come out the other side, changed. If you've been through hard things, if you have a history that carries real weight, you have depth that most people are still trying to manufacture. You have an understanding of what actually matters because you've had front row seats to what happens when things fall apart. That's not a wound. That is wisdom. Hard-bought, expensive wisdom that cannot be shortcutted. The people I mentor who have the most impact on their families, their businesses, their communities, they're almost never the people who had it easy. They're the people who went deep, not by choice at first, but they went deep. And now they move through the world with a weight and a wisdom that changes rooms. That's you. If you've been through the deep water, you carry something. Shallow water makes noise. Deep water moves quiet. And you've been deep. I see you, and I'm rooting for you.